Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be opening another pack out of my mystery box. Let's go ahead and see if we can get something different. Alright, Destined Rivals. Alright, there's your code card. Fighting Energy. Team Rocket's Nidoran. Arbon's Squobit. Morotom. Growlithe. Rapidash. Cynthia's Power Weight. Team Rocket's Golbat. Reverse Holo is Ethan's Quilaba. God. Reverse Holo Skarmory. And a Holo Hydrapple. Pretty neat looking card. Alright, if you like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. And until then, I will catch you next time.